Hey everyone, it's me, Shirley, and I'm back with another video. And today I told you guys that I'm going to be going up to Gore today. So we are going up to Gore. We've just got a few things to do in Invercargill, but don't worry, you guys won't be seeing that. I just wanted to start this video off for a little bit, just to tell you that we're going to be in Gore for the whole day. On the way, I will be showing you like a few things because I will be... Oh, sorry about that. That was my finger. We will be driving to Gore because obviously Invercargill isn't that far away from Gore. Well, Gore's not that far away from here. It will only take like an hour or less than an hour. But yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys that I am going to be doing a YouTube video today. Every time when we get into a new spot, because like obviously there's a few spots before we go bam straight to Gore. There is a few spots that we will be stopping at, I think, so I can show you around a little bit like where we are, like the first stop that we're at, then the second stop, and then it'll be Gore. So yeah, I will see you guys on the road for a little bit. I'll be telling you guys when we are leaving, so then you can be like, oh, she's finally leaving. And yeah, so I just wanted to give you guys a quick update of what I'm doing so far. So just in case if you guys are wondering, hey, she hasn't uploaded anything, don't worry, I will be, just later on. And yeah, hopefully while we're in Gore, I get to show you like some shops that I go into and Gore and stuff. So yeah, but anyway, I will see you guys when I am about to leave Invercargill. So yeah. Hey everyone, it's me, Shirley, and I'm back with another video. And today I told you guys that I'm going to be going up to Gore today. So we are going up to Gore. We've just got a few things to do in Invercargill, but don't worry, you guys won't be seeing that. I just wanted to start this video off for a little bit, just to tell you that we're going to be in Gore for the whole day. On the way, I will be showing you like a few things because I will be... Oh, sorry about that. That was my finger. We will be driving to Gore because obviously Invercargill isn't that far away from Gore. Well, Gore's not that far away from here. It will only take like an hour or less than an hour. But yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys that I am going to be doing a YouTube video today. Every time when we get into a new spot, because like obviously there's a few spots before we go bam straight to Gore. There is a few spots that we will be stopping at, I think, so I can show you around a little bit like where we are, like the first stop that we're at, then the second stop, and then it'll be Gore. So yeah, I will see you guys on the road for a little bit. I'll be telling you guys when we are leaving, so then you can be like, oh, she's finally leaving. And yeah, so I just wanted to give you guys a quick update of what I'm doing so far. So just in case if you guys are wondering, hey, she hasn't uploaded anything, don't worry, I will be, just later on. And yeah, hopefully while we're in Gore, I get to show you like some shops that I go into and Gore and stuff. So yeah, but anyway, I will see you guys when I am about to leave Invercargill. So yeah. Hey guys, so we are just going through a little small town that I can't remember, Woodlands, and now we are technically back on, oh you can see me through the thing, and now we are back on the 100k zone, and I will see you guys shortly in the next town. Bye! Hey guys, so we are now in Edendale, as you can see, and you can see me as well. So Edendale is a little town, but it's not that little. It's actually a pretty good town, especially if you've got like an event right there and everything else. So the house is right there. And yeah, so just a little trip around here. And there's a school right there.
Dairy Frontier.
And there's some trucks there. Pretty weird. And there's a little take guess we're not going that way just yet.
No, we're going to Wyndham.
Why are we going to Wyndham?
My school. I'm driving, so I get to show you my school. Oh, I'll show you in camera clips.
Okay, that will be weird. But yeah, here's a little scoop on Edendale for you guys. But yeah, I don't know how far Wyndham is. So yeah, I guess I will see you at Wyndham. I think that's how you say it. So yeah, here was just a little studio, little trees, little houses. So random houses are gonna be in here. If it's your house, lucky. But yeah, I will see you guys hopefully shortly. So yeah, peace. Okay guys, so we are in Wyndham, I think that's right. We're just gonna quickly, Casey's gonna quickly show me his school, so I thought that I should probably show you as well. So I think this is the primary school. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the start of the high school.
And that little bit there is the start of high school. And we can nearly see nothing. Barely still see nothing. This is the school that Casey went to when he was like 16 or 13 or whatever the age you go. I was like 15 or 16 when I went to high school, I think. So obviously this is the back of the school. 2 or 3 years ago, or whenever.
No, I
So yeah, so just a little tour around. Is it Menzies? Yeah, so it's Menzies, and there's just some cars right there, and little. They really actually can't see because this is a really bad light, and now they can see. So yeah, guys, sorry if you weren't able to see that, but is that all that you wanted to show?
One of my best mates lives in that house right there.
Damn it. Oh well, you just made it there. So yeah guys, this is police station. The park. I've never been in this area before. Rugby fields! Did you have a favourite spot here?
My favourite spot?
Yeah. Or did you just go to school here?
Oh, the river.
Maybe another time.
Oh.
Maybe another time. Not
Oh,
maybe
the
now.
river.
Yeah.
The river's right there in front of us.
There's the river!
No, it's not.
That's not the river.
No, I mean like around here, but see Matera.
And now guys, we are going this way, I think. Yep. To Matera, which hopefully you were able to see that sign, which is right there. Oh, there it is right there. Boom guys, and it's only 16 Ks. So I will see you guys in Matera. Hoist it out guys. Hey guys, so we're finally in Matera. Okay, that was really weird of me. So yeah, this is the back of that place that I just said. Matera, whatever. Yeah.
No, right there, that brown one.
Yeah.
That's where I used to live.
That's where Casey used to live, guys, to go stalk that place. No, I'm kidding.
I used to live there too, but he didn't live there.
So we are at the moment.
Really? So,
We can't think away.
I'm just
We're gonna go see another house for some reason.
see the second house?
That greenhouse. No, that one house
That
right
one there?
Yeah.
That sells mums and dads.
Okay.
Yeah.
And we are at the back of a road again.
Don't worry, I'm going down a dead end street now.
Go into town so then I can show everyone town.
Oh, I was going to show you where my mum used to live with me when I went to school.
Yeah.
Because I like looking at houses that I used to live in.
I don't. It's creepy.
Not just to see how changed it was. Right, 22. It's that one there. See that one there? That white one?
Right there.
That white and greeny one?
Casey used to live at that house.
That car's for sale.
I'm already getting a car. Can we just hurry up and get into town? So Matera, I guess is a little bit bigger than Edendale and all of those other little towns that we've been in. I'm pretty sure it's bigger than those two towns. If not, then oh wow. That sounded really funny. So yeah, just enjoy having a look at Matara, whatever the hell it's called. Matilda. It sounds like Matilda. Yeah. Dude, you're going like 40k, see? He's going like 40. Oh, you guys can't even see.
This
is the church that Casey used to go to. You probably just heard him say it, but just in case if you can't hear him. Oh, someone loves Casey. Who is it?
Right. This is
oh, the street. Oh, I can't say the street because it's personal. Oh, I'll just tell them that we're in Matara and that we're stopping for a little bit. So yeah, guys, we're going to stop in Matara for a little bit. We're just going to have a little, well, I think Casey needs a little break, but it would be cool if I could drive. Man, well, I'll be driving tonight, but you guys won't be able to see me drive tonight, but yeah.
Right.
Go to the bar.
I'm not going to town yet.
Oh, I love that bridge down there.
Over the giveaway.
Yeah, but they got to stop. There's the bridge that I love down there, guys. That's the way to kind of Dunedin. I think that's the long bridge.
I used to have to walk up this big road up here.
Well, I can't.
That one there, I used to have to walk up both sides to do the pamphlets.
You did pamphlets?
Yeah.
Took you long enough.
This is the,
Oh, this is where you can store your stuff at.
No, this is the paper mill.
Hey!
I used to make paper in here.
Oh, don't listen to me then, guys.
You know Paddy? You know Paddy?
How do you spell?
Well, it's now Sarah's cousin's place, but that place there used to be Paddy's.
That blue place there?
Yeah, it used to be Paddy's. That's Granddad's old house.
Oh,
Granddad's old
where
house.
do you keep going?
Oh, this is still the tower.
Oh, Clifton and Dunedin, but we're not going there. That's how far. Oh, that's what's next from. Oh, they didn't even say it. It's Clifton. Dude, you gotta go to the bar.
Yeah. This is the gardens. I used to work at there with Granddad.
How do you spell this place? I don't.
Mataura.
M-A.
Back this way.
Was it you? M-A-U-T-U.
No, M-A-T-A.
M-A-T-U-R-A.
M-A.
Yes.
T-A.
Yes.
U-R-A.
I don't know what this street is. This really reminds me of the back of Chicago Street from back in Chicago.
I think it's not that one.
You just like stop showing us houses because everyone doesn't need to know where houses are.
It's right there. My granddad's horses used to be in this one.
In that one? Oh, it's been destroyed. Oh well, I'm going to show them anyway.
I don't like that. That one anyway. And this is where Granddad used to be. Another house that Granddad used to live in.
Okay.
Oh. And that's the way to get to Paddy's old house. From the back. You go to it both ways.
Those wipers are really annoying. I have no idea whose house that is.
I don't know.
That's another way to come into Matara. Hey guys.
Right. No sheep for that one sheep.
I don't know if I've showed you guys Casey's car, but oh sorry, I didn't mean. But there's the back of Casey's car, kind of. You guys can't even see it properly, but oh wow.
You had to film me in it.
My phone just Oh no, I found it. Oh, if you want to go back to Invercargill, you got to go that way apparently. Yeah, I'm kidding.
Right. That's our time for today. We'll come back to the car.
Yeah, like a joke. Okay, guys, That's all for today. No, I'm kidding. Oh, this is my favourite bridge that we're going down. Well, I like the longer one. This is the short one that I tried to show you guys just before. It's really big. Like, me. Oh, and this is the town.
Bunker's down there. You know how Tay used to always talk about the bunker?
Oh,
It's
yeah.
down there. There's the library.
There's the library, and this is...
Oh, this place has changed.
I was expecting us to come this way from the tower. And
Wait, what if we didn't go to Wyndham?
Yeah. And this way. This is kind of out
I
of...
could show you in my primary school.
No, we've had enough of showing stuff.
Alright, so this is the...
And this is the park. Right there. And that park's also called Queen's Park. It's crazy. Wait, where are we going now?
I'm showing you Matara.
I already know what Matara looks like. They don't need to know the whole of Matara. It's already been like 7 minutes. Just turn around and go to the toilet so I can go to the toilet. Yeah, I'm really mean to Casey, guys, but oh well.
Person's house afterwards.
No,
That's Melon Bristol.
I don't want to see people though. I just want to get straight to Gore.
This Melon Bristol's house.
But how do you even know if they still live there?
Because the couch and everything's still the same at their house.
There's another.
They still live there.
Yeah, I'm real mean to Casey, as you guys know, but oh well. He has to put up with me being mean to him. Well, I'm sometimes mean to him, I'm usually not, but he takes so forever. Here's the back of that park again. This time you guys will be able to see.
Oh, I used to live on that street.
That's nice.
That school there, that primary school, was my primary school.
Casey went to this primary school, guys.
I used to live there too, right across the road from the
Right
primary
there.
school.
Oh, so technically you could like sleep in and be like 10 minutes early to like go there at like 8:50 or something.
Yeah. Right.
I'd say something else, but I'm not allowed to.
So this one's
Okay, guys, so here is the pub.
fire station, police station,
Everything on there, obviously.
petrol station. My auntie and uncle used to live down there.
So we are almost about to leave Matara. It sounds like Tarzan. Stop it, Sophie. But yeah, so here's more houses.
Swimming pool. Meatworks where my uncle used to live.
The
They look like Cuban.
Meatworks. Isn't there like a full here?
Yeah, I see it.
Oh damn it, I didn't see it. Okay guys, so we are probably like 20 minutes away from Gore. Maybe not even that, I don't know, but it usually doesn't take that long from Matara to Gore. So when we are just before to hit Gore, I will come back and talk to you guys. But yeah, I will see you guys at Gore. Hey guys, so we're finally in Gore. I hope you just saw that. Okay, so now what we've got to do is that we've got to pull over and find Casey's mate's house, because we don't know. Well, I know Gore a little bit, but not fully. So yeah, so we're still like slowly getting into Gore, but we are in Gore. We've just like, town is just a little bit more further than we expected. Okay, so we have got, he said Edward Street, I think. That's all that I can probably say. I think it's Edward or something. Be careful because there is a line, like right there. Oh, Edwin Street, if that's how you say it. I'm not going to say the number. Okay, I know how to spell it.
I just hope that the GPS doesn't
Take us to the wrong.
No, it doesn't say the number.
Oh.
Let's hope it says you have reached the destination.
If it tries to say the number, I'll just be like, blah, 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 so then no one hears it. Okay, so EDWIWIN. No, I'll do it so then you don't crash. Well, you know, you don't. If you don't want to crash, then okay. So we are kind of in town. Wait, oh, there's the KFC over there. There's the little park. The park that's so cute. And I'll just let you guys watch the park.
No, talk to them.
I've been to that park before. And there's... Oh, well, I already know what this album's called, so I can definitely put it in. So, yeah. There's a long park. Oh, it's actually not that long. Luckily, there's no people in it. They'll be crazy. Did you find it? This might take a while for us to... Hey, look, there's already an E. So maybe... But that's not...
It's not going to work like that. It's not an alphabetical order.
I'm like, really? You really had to tell me that? No. I'm kidding. There's some cars over there for sale, which you guys can't really see. But yeah. Oh wait, I'll just
pull up the text. I just texted it out. Oh.
Yeah, that number. But yeah, you guys can just watch some cars going past. But yeah. There's the KFC, which you kind of a little bit can see. And McDonald's, which you can't really see, but I can see from here. No, you can't even really see. But yeah, obviously every town, it would be really weird if all of the KFCs and McDonald's and Burger King. Do you know what I just realised? Gore doesn't have a Burger King. Well, it could, but I've never...
Did no Gore has a Clyde Street?
No.
Oh, it does.
3 minutes away! Perfect!
Right, so...
Okay, I'll just tell you where to go. Okay, so... Oh, shit. Oh, Muppets! This has already gone on.
Head northeast, then turn left.
So that way.
No, that's not right.
Okay, our GPS is being crazy right now. I don't know if you guys can see me. Hopefully you can. Okay, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have not put my tongue out.
Maybe it is. Oh, well, let's back that way then. So,
Yeah.
let's back that way.
Oh, we gotta go back that way, guys.
Because that's where we are, apparently. Because McDonald's up here. So you gotta go down.
Oh, okay.
Oh, we're not going into Gore. I thought it was...
Head northeast on State Highway 1 toward Eccles Street, then turn left onto Eccles Street.
Which is right there. Okay, see, I was right.
And then turn this way.
I'm
Don't touch it.
not. Okay, guys, we
just touch the phone. Good one.
No, I will.
600 meters, turn left onto Broad Street.
Okay, guys, we are moving again, but unfortunately, it's not into Gore.
I'll do it.
Yeah, I'm holding it. It has to be that one. That shit, right there.
No, I know what's wrong with it.
Oh no, keep going. We're still going, guys.
Turn left onto Broad Street.
We are on
Right up to
Roden Street. Not
Roden.
Roden. Don't say Roden. Don't talk about
600 meters, turn right onto Clyde Street.
to what? Clyde Street, 600 metres. Oh, 500 metres.
Right.
Oh, 50 metres. 400 metres.
I'm just looking for fucking light.
350 metres. Excuse him.
Take the next right onto Clyde Street.
The next, that one there. Oh, there's a gore camp. Oh, Galaxy. Shush for a second. Okay, and then you got it as soon as you see Vietnam, which I'm guessing is that street right there where that car just came out.
Then turn right onto Edward Street.
Oh, there's the rugby field which you guys look actually can't see. Oh, and that one there.
Next right onto Edward Street, then your destination.
Oh my what?
I don't know. Okay guys, so when I am near my car or around it, it's right there, oh my god! Okay guys, so when I go into my car, I will show you around it, okay? So when we go like in it, and if we like decide to drive it or something, I will hopefully see if you guys can see. So I will see you guys. So I will see you guys when I am around my car, okay? So love you guys.